that's not good. Will that hold my bike? I doubt it, but we'll find out. So yeah, sorry I stopped again. I saw a bunch of tracks. I'm trying to find the wolves, so I just want to see if I got, well, I know there's moose tracks because we just did that, but holy smokes, I really blew past them. Okay, definite moose tracks, definite moose tracks. I thought I saw something else too. Definite moose tracks. Definite, no, I guess not. Maybe it's just moose tracks. Oh. Dog. That looks like small though. But there's two types. I think that's a wolf. There's timber wolves, which are huge, gray wolves, and then there's coyotes where I live. And sometimes coyotes and the gray wolves will you'll get like a mix of the two. Yeah, I think those are the only tracks. Those there were the only tracks, I think. I don't see too much other stuff. Oh, that might be one. That might be one there too. There. Okay. Well, there's a trail right here that goes into the woods over here. So that might be something they use. Can you see them? The huge cranes. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. They're massive birds. They're like pterodactyls. I'm walking through here because I think the wolf tracks went through here, but if the ground's so hard that you can't see anything, like it doesn't, so I don't know if they're in here or not, but they're in the area for sure. Oh, bingo. They are. Hey, look, dog, that's wolf poop. That's all a bunch of wolf poop right there. Tons of it. It's huge too. All right, well, I better not I'm with my dog and I don't have a gun, so I better not get too he's got, my dog found scraps of their kill or whatever. Bones. My dog found some bones, leftover bones. This is a bone probably from a deer or maybe a calf moose that the wolves took them. Leroy found some other bones earlier. More bones. And Leroy. Here's the rest of the kill. You can see it all here. That was a moose. Here's the huge knee. I'm gonna actually, here's the jawbone. I'm actually gonna get out of here with the dog. I'm gonna come back by myself and set up the camera. Anyway, this is the jawbone from a moose that the wolves killed. It's huge. It's like, I don't know, like 19 inches long. Another bone. Another bone. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the bugs are just like swarm. The deer flies, there's like 50 of them on my dog. Poor guy. They're on me too, but at least I have clothing. You know what I mean? Other than my face, I'm kind of, in my hands, I'm covered. That's from a deer fly that he bit me.